Hey there guys, how are you all doing? This is your V-Bro again from Tech Tweak team, and so today we'll be doing another video. The latest version of DarkMatter is here. That is the 4.4, the Exo 4.4. That is the latest version that has come up, and this is the review video of that and of that build. Well, don't be so much excited because there aren't that many visual changes in this version of build. There are some minor tweaks that are done inside the build, so it's quite good. You know, they said that the performance will be better, and even I tried like playing PUBG and all, and that's what you're most interested in. And also they said that they have fixed the COD issue. I'll talk that in a moment. So let's first of all just check out what all things have been changed up in the. Let me just go ahead and search for supremegamers.com, and that's what their main forum is. If you want to go there, the link will be there in the description, so you can go ahead and check it out. Installation video will also be there. I cannot make another installation video because the Supreme Gamer has already made one, so if I make it, it might just be a bit bad in our relationship. So that's the main reason why I'm not making. I'm sorry for that, but his videos are very detailed and you can go ahead and check them out. So let's go to update logs and let's check out the changelog that it has. And they say that, and even it's true, you will need to format your existing DarkMatter partition to install this. And it is said that it is compatible with COD mobile, and there is a new gaming protocol that has been installed, new kernel features, and there is a kernel here. It says a 4.19. I guess that's the latest one. I'll show you just in a minute. And you can go ahead and improve the Windows installer, so the setup has a bit more better than what it was before, and enhance the system optimized for COD mobile. So this build is basically given more interest on the Call of Duty mobile version. And also there are other features like the Google Play Services crashes have been fixed, and that's true. I haven't faced any crashing and stuff like that. I am really sorry for the background noise. Okay, keep that aside. And just let's take a look at Gear Boot. Yeah, there is an app. You can see this gear lock. The APK is here. So that's a neat feature for like changing your gaming protocol to Omega or Legacy and stuff like that. And also, they said that Wi-Fi support will transform your Ethernet connection into simulated Wi-Fi. So that's pretty great for the users who are facing some problems related to the tethering issue. So that's a great news for them. Other than that, there's more tiny bug fixes and optimized boot sequence and stuff like that. And from 4.3, it's a kind of a major update, and so it's good. And you know, like always, they have Discord servers. If you got any problems related to DarkMatter, you can go ahead and share with them. They will surely help you guys out. And now let me go to the settings and go to About Tablet, and you can see that my kernel version is 4.19.92. That is the latest version, I guess. This is 14.19.92. This is the latest version that I have installed, and it's just working great. And when PUBG Mobile, I did run it, and it's just running better. It's just running awesome. Let me just open this thing up in front of you. And like always, the notification sound in my background is just killing me. Like, seriously. Yeah, that's not Venom, that's me. Keeping that aside, let me talk about Call of Duty. You know, I just don't know. That's the problem with my laptop, I guess. I try to run COD mobile, but it just doesn't work. I don't know. Even in this build, I just tried running. It didn't work. And I know using GL tools, maybe it will run, but I just don't really like that game. So I didn't try it out. And you can see emulator detection is on. So you can see that emulator detection is popping out. And in the previous video, people said that it's not. So I'm using some kind of tricks, and no, there is no tricks, and I just cutted that part out so it was not appearing out there. And talking about the settings that comes overall inside, here we go to the settings and graphics. You can see it's smooth, extreme. So these are the two options that I get out of the box, and it's just working great. I cannot show you, or I'm not thinking of showing you any gameplay, because the gameplay is a bit choppy because of the screen recording app. And talking about now, like Call of Duty, if I just try to run that game, it will just flash out and all the controls used to appear in the screen, but boom, only just a black screen, nothing else. I think I'll be needing to use GL tools. It might work in that way, but I just didn't try that out yet. But as I said earlier, I just don't like the game Call of Duty that much. I just love PUBG Mobile, and that's what I used to play over into my device. So that's pretty much it. These are the things that are just changed, like not many big things that have changed. Talking about the stuff that comes pre-installed, there is really less. Talking about stability, is just rock solid stable. Talking about bugs, I haven't faced them yet. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, everything is just working over into my system. And like I said, if you got any queries, you can just reach them. And also you can reach me as well. My Instagram link will be down below or in splashing on the screen right here. So you can go ahead and follow me out there, and also DM me right away. And also there's the comment box for you to just reach me. That's pretty much it, guys. This is Vibro signing out. Have a great day and God bless you all. Thank you. Bye-bye and take care.